Hi, this is Francis Massen from the Computerium. We received from Anne Baumann a very nice Burroughs Class 5 key punch calculator, which is about from the 1925. The machine was in very good external condition, very pleasant to look at, no rust inside, but it was completely blocked. And I worked a horrendous time just to make it at least at 80% work now. The problem with the machine was here in these dial wheels with what is a Burroughs specialty, planetary wheel system to make the carries. As the machine was probably immobile for about 50 or 60 years, everything here was blocked, and it was very, very difficult to free moving parts again. Now, it seems to work, at least except these two columns, where the key punch does not execute what it does. It does not move the dial at the correct place. But what is working over the full sequence of all columns is the carry. And let me just show how nicely this carry works. I put in every column 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 up to here. And in this first column, we will add 1. So I just push 1. Now look, in a very short time, this carry rippled from column 1 to the last one, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th column has no keys, just one key for the 9 position, and we leave it like this. So everything seems to work. The crank works easily. I reset the machine to 0. I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Well, at exactly, and I add 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and you see all these dial wheels are working. From time to time, I have an overshoot. That means when I type 4, the wheel goes to position 5. I'm not sure where to correct this, but for the moment most of these items work, and I'm very happy about that. I have to find the problem with these 2 keys. I'm not sure exactly where to look at. I made much notes about what to do and what not to do, and you have to be careful because these planetary systems are very delicate. But there is some small hope that everything will work in a couple of days. At least I'm very happy on the state of the repair until now. Thank you for your attention.